Question 5 says that Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So the unknowns in this problem are the present ages of Shobo and that of his mother. So let's start by assuming that Shobo's present age is, let's take it to be some variable. Let's take it to be X years. So let's assume that Shobo's present age is equal to X years. Now, in terms of X, we can also write Shobo's mother's present age, which is 6 times Shobo's present age. So from here we get the mother's present age will be 6 times Shobo's present age. So this will be 6 times 6x years. Alright, now Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So what will be Shobo's age 5 years from now? Let's write that. So Shobo's age 5 years from now or 5 years later will be the present age X. His present age is X, and then you add 5 years to that. So X plus 5 years. Alright, so what we have here is Shobo's age 5 years from now is X plus 5 years, and Shobo's mother's present age is 6x years, and we are told that Shobo's age 5 years from now is 1/3 of his mother's present age. So X plus 5 must be 1/3 of 6x, and this is how we get an equation in X. So X plus 5 will be 1/3 of 6x, and 1/3 of 6x is basically 6 by 3 is 2. So 1/3 of 6x is 2x. So the equation we get is x plus 5 equal to 2x, and now we just take this x and we transpose it to the right side, and that will give us 5 on the left side, and on the right side we have 2x, and then the transposed term minus x, and therefore we get 2x minus x is equal to x. So we write x on the LHS and 5 on the RHS. So we get x equal to 5. So this means that Shobo's present age is 5 years and his mother's present age is 6 into 5 or 30 years. Now let's see whether this answer is correct. So Shobo's age 5 years from now will be x plus 5 or 10 years, and we see that this age 5 years from now, 10, is 1/3 of the mother's present age, which is 30, and this is what is given to us in the problem statement. So the answer 5 years and 30 years, this is correct, and this completes question number 5. To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.